Yes, from your Bybit homepage, go to the trade section, and once you do that, you're going to see these options up here where you can select TradeFi. You can see TradeFi right here, top right corner. So once you click there, you see where you can transfer funds into your TradeFi account and you can start trading. So all you have to do is click on transfer, and you see where you can transfer funds from your funding account to your TradeFi account. So you come down here and enter the amount you want to transfer. So there you have it. So you just click on confirm down here and the transfer will be done. So once the transfer is done, all you have to do is now search for the pair you want to trade. So you will see the options right here. You see forex, you see metals, you see stocks, indices. So you want to have it on forex because the pair you want to trade right now is forex pair. So but if you don't see it here, you can click on this search button. So let me show you. You click on the search button right here and you search for the pair you want to trade. Okay, so let's go. So let's go to our Telegram channel where we share trade signals for our subscribers. So you can join the channel and enjoy more trade signals. Okay, so you can see the pair we want to trade right here is Euro SND. So we already shared this signal with our community on Telegram. So we are longing, that is we are buying. You can see the stop loss, the entry price, and the take profit price. So all we have to do is to go back to Bybit and enter these details before the trade triggers. Okay, so let's enter Euro NZD. So you can see right here, you click on it and there you have it. So you click on buy to enter your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit. So you click on trigger. So that's where we enter the limit order or the entry price. So you can see the entry price, that's the limit order 2.0145. So let's go over to Bybit and enter that details. Okay, so this is where we enter the entry price 2.0145. So the next box is for quantity, but we're not going to enter the quantity. We're just going to enter the lot size. It will automatically calculate the quantity for us. So let's enter the lot size. So as a new trader, we recommend 0.01 lot size. So it will help you to manage your risks. Okay, so 0.01 lot size is best, is what we recommend for new traders. So once you enter that, the quantity you're using will automatically fill up there. Then the next thing is to click on TP/SL box so that you can enter the stop loss and take profit amount. So you can see on our trade signals, the stop loss is there 2.0025 and the take profit 2.0326. So let's go over to Bybit and enter those details. So our take profit up here and our stop loss down here. So you see the amount you are going to profit if this trade goes in our favor. That's 10.47 USD. And if this trade goes against us, you're going to see how much you're going to lose. You can see right there 6.94 USD. So this is how you know the exact amount you will gain or lose depending on the direction of the trade. Okay, once you're done, all you have to click on is buy and your order, it will be placed. Okay, so let's click on buy. So there we have it. So if you scroll down, you're going to see your order pending. So once price comes to this entry price, is going to trigger. Okay, you can see the order right here. So once price comes to this price, it's going to trigger immediately. You can see it already triggered. So let's go to position. So you will see the trade in position. You can see position right there. So you click on position, you're going to see the trade running. Okay, so you can see the trade running already. That is it. So I'm going to allow this trade to run. You let your trade to run, you give it time, let it play out. So as at the time of recording this video, this trade is already up in profit. So that is how to take profit from the market, guys. So see you in the next video. Link in the description for our Telegram channel.